Hi, Shayla with WTI. I want to show you my favorite cozy blanket. I have fallen in love with this WRENSONGE Checkered throw blanket. I have it in the sage green and it is gorgeous. It's so comfy, so cozy. I absolutely love just lounging around with it. I have the huge 60 by 80 size, so I love that it covers all of me and I don't have to worry about anything poking out, especially my feet getting cold. There's probably technically room for two in there, but I'm a little selfish with my blankets. As you can see, it is very big. It's way taller than me. I can actually wrap it around my body and wear it outside, which I love. And that's not a big deal either because it is machine washable and you can just throw it in the dryer so it doesn't ruin it. Very easy to care for. It's also so pretty as a decoration. I love that cute checkered pattern. Like I said, super soft, just looks good thrown on the couch. I love that it is breathable and it's not too heavy, but it definitely keeps me warm. It's overall, it's a great gift, great for yourself. Whatever your needs are, this is an amazing blanket. If you're looking for a soft, cozy blanket to snuggle up with, or even one that just looks pretty as a decoration, this is definitely the blanket for you. And that is my point of view.